Today, we are diving into the latest gaming handheld making waves at CES 2024, the MSI Claw. Ready to take on Valve's Steam Deck? This Windows-based powerhouse brings some serious firepower. Powered by Intel's Meteor Lake Core Ultra processor, the Claw boasts specs up to an Intel Core Ultra 7155H. MSI is set to offer 3 models ranging from $699 to $799, with the base tier packing a Core Ultra 5 and 512GB of storage. Featuring Intel's XeSS upscaling technology, the Claw claims to handle AAA titles effortlessly. And with a 53Wh battery, which is the largest in its class, and advanced cooling system, you can expect 2 hours of full load gaming without breaking a sweat. Despite its name, the Claw prioritizes comfort, weighing in at 675 grams. The 120Hz IPS display with a resolution of 1080p promises an immersive gaming experience, which, however, for a gaming device, might not be that much for the gamers. The device includes tactile buttons, Hall effect triggers, and joysticks, ensuring durability and precision. Packed with 16GB of RAM and up to 1TB of PCI M.2 storage, the Claw also runs Windows 11 with MSI Center M software. Ready to handle PC and Android games? This handheld is a versatile gaming companion. Hit the subscribe button for more tech updates on the latest in gaming tech.